Hi everyone, it's James here from Pro Tools Expert, and my old buddy, old pal, Tom Waterman has joined me down in the shed for one of the world's first looks, and we have to be very careful how we say that, at a new Universal Audio product, a new box, a new interface. Tell us all about the Arrow.
So this is Arrow, which is our first, and this is the big thing, Thunderbolt-3 bus-powered 2-in 4-out desktop interface.
Ooh, okay. So let's just get a handle on that just for a minute. Bus powered for a start, so no power supplies and nothing?
Nope, you can have a look here. Just a single USB-C connector with Thunderbolt-3.
And at this point I'm going to say things like, so how do we get phantom power then on our mic pre's? And you're going to say...
Beautifully, full 48 volts, proper on both mic inputs, because we have much more power delivery on the USB power delivery via Thunderbolt-3.
Awesome.
Effectively. So what you'd be limited with a USB 2 interface, effectively where you'd need a power adapter or drop the voltage for phantom power, that's no longer the case with Arrow. This is proper unison mic preamps, same as Apollo, same as that entire range. Allows you to get all the unison technology in there for recording vocal sounds, instrument sounds, all of this bus powered.
So it's basically, this is going to sit below the Apollo Twin in kind of features.
Price and features, yeah.
Price and features, yeah. But it's a beautiful thing. I love the kind of trapezoidal shape. Are we going to go with that?
That's a good one.
Do you like that?
Yeah.
Okay, so there's a few other options on here. I'm seeing obviously preamp and monitor, very much like the Twin. Our input controls.
But it's really logical.
Yeah.
So you have that sort of, it's kind of that integrated synergy of the kind of preamp side and the monitor side, much like the Apollo Twin. So on the preamp side here, you can select channel 1, channel 2, and obviously you have this encoder here, which allows you to adjust the gain of channel 1 preamp, and you can jump to channel 2 preamp.
Yeah.
One thing's worth mentioning, on the screen here we have the console system, or console 2.0, which is part of the Apollo console range. Also now with Arrow. So Arrow
same console, same...
It's the same workflow, the same kind of sonic integrity and all of that creative workflow that you get with the Apollo platform, but bus powered.
Excellent.
So it's a big deal for Thunderbolt 3 users, like for example this MacBook Pro or Windows machines.
So you're thinking, or the UA thinking is, people who are on tour or anyone who's out in the field, or quite literally out in a field.
Totally, yeah. It's planes, trains, automobiles, it's pros on the go, musicians, singer-songwriters.
You've said both of those way too many times already.
It's Friday, which is, it's a week.
Yeah, it's compact, it's lovely, it's very rugged and solid and stuff.
Yeah, I mean this is a cast aluminium body. It's a two-piece clamshell sort of design.
Yeah.
So there's no ventilation on this. This is an entire heatsink for the whole unit. So
but
it's completely self-contained, very strong.
Yeah, and we've been using it for the last little while, and it's not getting hot, it's not suffering with, it's not getting warm at all, it's just working, it's doing what it should be doing.
It's totally rugged for life on the road really. It's like I say, tour buses, travelling, writing songs with it, guitar practice, whatever you want to do, it does it all.
And it's sitting in that price point below the current Apollo Twin, so...
Exactly, yeah, so MAP in US dollars is $499,
right,
and then MSRP for Europe is 540 Great British pounds and 595 euros.
So it's going to be about the same. By the time it's streets, we're looking probably about 500 quid or thereabouts, I would have thought. But yeah, for people who are perhaps put off by the Apollo price point, the Twin price point initially, this is going to sit really nicely. How about DSP?
So it comes with one core of U82, so it's a solo DSP chip on board.
Cool. But that's enough to give us guitar effects and stuff.
Absolutely, yeah. I mean, obviously the whole workflow is about tracking in real time and then using the plugins later for mixing. So the thing for me was that this is a bus-powered DSP processor as well as the interface. So if you need UAD plugins on the go to be able to just overdub vocals, you've got a big Apollo rig at home, but you just want to fly out the door with something bus-powered. And like I say, it's bus-powered Thunderbolt 3. And to make a distinction, that's Thunderbolt 3, not USB 3.1. Yeah, so the connector is USB-C. But it's the 40 Gbps Thunderbolt 3 connection that's required.
Right.
So the new MacBook Pro, any of the new Apple computers that are using that, and also all these new Windows machines that are coming out with the Coffee Lake series of processors and that kind of thing. Yeah, so portable recording. And so it's a UAD processor on the go. We've had some customers that want to use their UAD plugins just on the tube for production, but you can do that with this.
Yeah.
So,
and of course it gives you a beautiful headphone amp as well.
Headphone amp's incredible. Yeah, I mean, sonic quality is right there with the Apollo series. So, there's a few sort of changes to the converters for kind of bus powering requirements, but it's the same family, the same design ethos, and sonically right there. So it's a real kind of complete package.
Tom, it's been an absolute pleasure. Sir,
Sir. Thank you.
For now, my name's James Ivey, and we will see you again very soon for some more Gear Talk.